Okay. Sorry, okay.
Now it's time for Looney Bird's Tip for the Hip. Now it's time for Looney Bird's Tip for the Hip. Just sit back and watch. We'll inform you.
Thank you. Yes, this is Looney Bird's Tips for the Hip. And today we're going to study the concept of gift wrapping. A very important concept if you intend to give gifts to someone. A lot of people don't know how to wrap them. Well, today we're going to tell you step by step. Step 1. Select the appropriate wrapping paper for the occasion. If you don't have any wrapping paper, you can use the Sunday comics. It doesn't matter. Step 2. Cut the wrapping paper. With a little practice, you'll be able to slice off a piece of wrapping paper the way you cut a piece of cheese.
Hey, Looney, I hate to interrupt you, but we're running out of time for this edition of Tips for the Hip. Do you mind if we get to our song?
No problem, Billy Bob. Let me just hurry up and get this wrapped. A lot of times you're in a hurry when you're gift wrapping, like I am right now. In that case, you just take the gift wrap paper, pull it over the top of the box, take a great big long piece of tape, put it over one side, stretch it over to the other side, take one more piece of tape, like that, and there you have it. Voila, a perfectly wrapped gift.
My love, don't give me presents.
I know